got done cleaning the rear evaporator. It was bad. Real bad. That's what it looked like. Let's see if we can go. Wait a minute. Nope, this is it. Alright. That's what the rear evaporator looks like. There you go. Now it's starting to get cleaner, see? That's it. That's from another vehicle. There you go. Nissan dealer wants to charge you over $4,000 to replace the whole unit and the evaporator. Somebody sent me a estimate she got from a Nissan dealer. I couldn't believe it. $200. Okay, now whenever you look down this side, see the rear evaporator is to the left. It looks clean, right? Well, that's not where the dirt is. It's under the blower motor. And I can clean rear evaporators without removing the blower motor. Put a bolt between the between the fins of the squirrel cage. Be careful not to break these fins. If you break one of these fins, you'll have to replace the whole motor because it'll be off balance. What I do is I put a blower wand down here, right down here, and then I have a little shop vac right next to it. So as I'm blowing, all the dirt and debris is coming up, and the shop vac is sucking it out. And that's how that works. See that flap? It's in the AC position. When that flap comes up, it diverts the air and turns into heat and goes through the rear duct, which is under the front panel, and comes out your rear floor vents. See, it's in AC position. So now we're ready to insulate. I cut out all the insulation pieces beforehand so it's faster. So now we'll remove that duct and then insulate the roof, install the kit, and we're done. Very important to clean your rear evaporator. Very important. I have in my lift off ash, what I do is I have like an applicator bottle, and I get out of the way. Okay, you apply it on that side of the rear evaporator, and it soaks through. First, when it's dry, you get the blower and you get as much dirt and debris out of there. Then you apply the lift off aluminum acid cleaner. It may smoke, don't get scared. It's not gonna do nothing. It's just probably this high pH down there and it's conflicting, that's why it's smoking. But after that, you let it soak for 20 minutes. Then you take a hose with the garden hose with that little fire tip nozzle, and you put it up against there and you blow it out. Then you can also put it where the bolt is here. You put a bolt in here, spread it out a little bit, and then you could spray down there. Don't forget to take that bolt out when you're done, because if you turn that blower motor on with that bolt in there, goodbye fins and goodbye blower motor. There you go. Nissan NV3500. Clean those rear evaporators. You may not need an airflow kit. You probably could just see how it is. There's a lot of restrictions in the system anyway. It sucks, but for now, if you don't have the money to get a kit, it's easy to clean and cheap to clean your rear evaporator. That will help increase airflow. Okay, have a good day.